Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a lot of clothing items. I know we are in mid-autumn right now, but this is not really... Well, I do have a lot of fall pieces, but also a lot of summery vacation holiday kind of pieces too, so it's just like a mixture of things. So let's get started. First items are from Taliber, which is a very affordable clothing brand that I work with in the past as well in some of my videos. So I showed you already some of the pieces that they sent me, and I picked up a few more this time. And the first one is this. So it's like, how you call this, like a vinyl kind of coat. It's in black color, and I decided to choose the black because I don't know, I feel it's a bit more classic than, for example, the red. The red is too bright, or maybe some other colors. So big pockets, it's very comfy. I got this one in the size large because I wanted this to be a bit loose on me. It's definitely not a piece for winter or when it's very cold outside, but for rainy days, especially here in Edinburgh, this is a must. And you also get a belt with this. Is this one. The next thing that I have is actually a sweatshirt, or a hoodie, I should better say, and it's this gray one. Looks just like this, and you have this BTS in the back and Love Yourself in the front. It has this really soft material underneath, so it will keep you warm for sure. I usually like to wear these, you know, when I travel in the airport, like for my airport outfit. So this is definitely a piece that I know I will wear a lot because I love a comfy outfit. Moving on, I have a jacket that I wanted for a long time. I wanted something like this for a long time, and is this really, how you call it, like fluffy kind of jacket. It's in this gorgeous brownie color. You have smaller pockets on front, and also the sleeves are really nice, like a balloony kind of sleeves. You have a nice zipper, and I like the contrast of this lighter brown with a more gunmetal black kind of zipper. And moving on to another piece, which is not Polish at all. It's actually more for summer, and it's this jumpsuit in this really lovely beige and white stripes, and you have this bustier thing in here, so like a two-in-one kind of style. And you actually have cups on the bustier, which is really nice. You will get that support here, and will create a nicer shape for your boobies if you want this. It's quite see-through, but I think for, you know, those vacation vibes, it's okay. I've been getting a lot of jumpsuits lately, so I hope these will look good. And I have this jacket, like a blazer, more like a very thin material kind of blazer, and it's in polka dots, so black and white. You also have these probably quarter length sleeves, and also this is in the size medium. I got this one in the size medium. And the last item from Taliber, again, I got this one in the size medium. It's another blazer. It's very similar to the previous one, but instead of the polka dot design, you have just a simple ivory kind of color. The same sleeves, the same fit, the same shape. The pockets, which are actually real pockets, which I appreciate. I don't like when they have fake pockets, like why even put those there. Moving on, I was sent a couple of items from Miss Selfridge, and I was just really happy about it, because I do love Miss Selfridge items. So I have a pair of booties, ankle booties, and these are in that snake print kind of design. These are not made of real leather, though, real snake skin, but just the print, it's very reminiscent of that. And I usually prefer the snake skin print design to be with this like more on the grayish cool tone kind of side, not on the warmer tone. So I really like this. It looks very, very nice, and they're very comfortable. I got these in the size UK 7, and I'm usually a UK 7, so they fit perfectly. And another Miss Selfridge jumpsuit. I do have a couple of jumpsuits from them. I picked up this one, which has such a lovely color. I just absolutely adore this color. It's like a, what color is this one? It's like a burgundy, more purpley burgundy kind of color, and it's quite see-through, so in a way it's quite sexy, I would say. It's this like halter neck top, and the pants part is like, these are super loose, which I appreciate. Another jumpsuit. This one is in ivory. It has a massive belt in it. It gives me just like, you know, 80s kind of vibes, and this is how it looks like. So the bustier area, which is quite hard, and then you have these looser kind of pants part. I like a lot the belt in here, and I think, I don't know, it's just a really nice touch. And again, this jumpsuit, all like about 80s, 90s. And by the way, all the items I got are in the size UK 10, because I was not sure about the size. I also got a scarf, and it's in this, it has printed on it all these kind of nautical elements, marine elements, which I love. And it's in this lovely orangey kind of color, and it's quite big. So, you know, it reminds me of, I don't know, Versace, maybe a bit of Gucci, maybe a bit of Hermes kind of scarf. And I wanted to have something like this. I wanted to specifically have it for the hair. So like, to create a little bandana with it maybe, or just to, I don't know, do something with my hair and the scarf. Well, this is, I mean, yeah, I'm just doing something right now, but you understood what I was saying. I think that it looks cute. Well, of course I will not do it like this, but I will try to, you know, create something with the scarf. And I love the color. I love the pop of this orange. I don't know, I love the color, and I especially wanted to wear this with the jumpsuit. Like, even right now it looks interesting. Yes or no? I have also a skirt from Miss Selfridge, and kind of reminds me, well, it's not the same orange, but it's almost the same orange, and it's in this velvety material. And velvet, it's so in right now, velvet, corduroy, so I'm trying to kind of, you know, have this in my wardrobe as well, to create something on my Instagram, maybe some outfits, to create some outfits, and then to have some pictures with outfits. And this is a skirt. I don't know why I love this color with velvet. I think that it looks just so rich and intense, and especially when the light hits it. I'm really good with this. And the last item from Miss Selfridge is another jumpsuit. I'm having a jumpsuit moment, of course. Is this one, which is all sparkly and has a lot of these paillettes. How you call this in English? Sequins. So it's like a navy, dark navy blue color with a lot of these sequins on top. And you have this, again, navy blue, but more lighter, and gold. And I think that it looks so festive, and again, so sparkly. I also have a couple of items from Keepsake label, which is an Australian brand, and I will send these again. So the first thing is this top, which is, I feel like, a very popular shape right now. I love, again, these balloony kind of sleeves and all the buttons, all the nice details. I will send this in the size S. They actually didn't ask for my size, because when they send samples, they only have the size small for the samples, so this is a bit too tight on me. Usually I find with Australian brands like Keepsake, maybe like Cameo Collective, or what else, Fifth Label, those run a bit small on me, so I like to get a medium. The next dress is this one, again, a super lovely shape. They have these bouffant sleeves in here, and the material itself is with flowers. You can see like different flowers, red, white, pink, and the sleeves are very interesting. You can see it here. You have all these beads in here, gold beads. I think they look really nice. And also the shape itself, you have like a V neck, it's a bit more on the lower side, and the roughly lower part of like the skirty part of the dress. And I really like this shape usually. I think it's quite flattering on my body. The next dress, again from Keepsake of course, because we are still talking about them. This is such a festive dress in my opinion, and it is this one. All sequins from top to bottom. It is like a mid-length kind of dress, gorgeous silver sequins all the way. Very thin straps, and the décolleté area is a bit more looser, so kind of like a drapes down, you know. And the last thing that I wanted to show you is actually a bikini set that I got from a company called She Made Me. I just received these today, and I bought this I think a week ago. It's an Australian brand, and everything came in this little cotton pouch. I think it's just so lovely. And I got this set in yellow, so it looks like this. You're probably like, what is going on? But this is the top. It's so lovely, and you have also these straps in a way that you need to tie around your neck. This is made of 100% cotton. It's designed in Australia and made in Indonesia. And this entire brand, I absolutely love them because they create such beautiful pieces and very, like, you know, beach vibe, holiday vibe kind of items. So this bikini set is one of those. The items are a bit more on the pricier side, but they do have a sale on their website right now. So I got these on sale, still pricey, but so lovely that I was like, okay, let me just get these. And this you can wear just as a top with jeans or shorts. I'm not sure when I'm going to a beach holiday, but hopefully soon. And this is the second part. And these are so fluffy, like bouffant kind of style. I absolutely love them. And I got both pieces in the size medium because I was not sure. I think the size small would be probably too tight on me, especially on these. So I wanted to be able to also kind of bring them down a little bit to create that 90s kind of shape, a high leg shape, but I can wear them, you know, down as well and just high up. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. Let me know if you like any of these items, and yeah, that's all. I will have everything in the description box. I will definitely film more haul videos in the future because I'm in this period of buying things in a way. I don't buy so much makeup right now, but I buy more clothing, accessories, kind of things. So don't forget to check the description box for all these items, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!